In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can overclock score streaks here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Black Ops 7 did add a brand new feature this year that wasn't in Black Ops 6, which allows you to actually upgrade or overclock your score streaks, and it's going to work on both PC and console. What you're going to want to do is go to this little weapons tab up at the very top, and then open up the score streaks tab, and here you're going to see all of the streaks that you've unlocked, and the ones that you've been using frequently will have a plus icon on them. That plus means that streak can be overclocked. When you hit this little overclock option right here, you're going to see the option to do this. For example, I just selected the scout pulse, and you'll see that there's dispatcher, which means it's going to be a lower score cost. And then there's also going to be enhanced sensors, meaning that radar ping is going to show directional arrows instead of red dots. Now, every streak does have different overclocks. For example, there's counterattack, which counters the first lock-on missile with the flare. There's bullet resistance boost. There's lower score cost. There's extended mags, and there's faster charge rates. Even the big streaks like Region have crazy overclock options once you do level them up. So there's a ton of customization to play around with. But that's really all there is to it. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.